Okay, so we're going to do eyeshadow palettes now. So what I'm going to quickly do is organise them into brands, because I usually keep them like, keep the brands together. So that's what we'll do. I can't, these are sitting here. Did I keep them or did I get rid of them? I don't remember. But anyway, they're here now, so whatever. Okay, I'm just going to quickly organise these. That's not good. That's glass. I'm scared because, like, obviously glass is so thin. I don't know if there's some like in here and it's gonna like cut my eye, do you know what I mean? Anyway, we can deal with that at a later date. Just found a few more lipsticks and stuff, but anyway. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to put all my Huda Beauty palettes in this little organiser. And then I kept all of my Morphe palettes in this one here, I think. Go, that's done. Okay, I'm probably going to have to change things up a little bit because I do not know where this P. Louise palette is going to fit. It can go in there, I guess. Okay, so these are like my bulkier kind of palettes that aren't going to fit in the other organisers. So that one is done. Okay, and then I'll go get the other organisers and we can start putting away the rest of these. Okay, so I think I'll go with Colourpop palettes first. Just trying to remember how I even had these before. I feel like I got rid of quite a few Colourpop palettes, so we should have a fair bit of room in here. Is that really all the Colourpop palettes I have left? I did a pretty good job on that actually. I'm quite proud. I feel like that was really full before. Or maybe it wasn't. I don't know. I can't really remember. Okay, and then in this one. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, in this one over here, I think I'll put the two Too Faced palettes and my Shannix Oil one. Okay, that's cute. Actually, I feel like I can fit a bit more in here. They are, if that fits, that would be so perfect. Yeah, it's alright. Okay, I'll put that Kylie one there though. Okay, and then I'll get the last one. And I'll put my Mitchell palettes. My Morphe ones. Okay, and that is that for the palettes. So what I'm going to do now is, actually I've still got a few things to put away. These are just loose bits. But anyway, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to like clean the rest of my beauty room, like get rid of all the rubbish, sort out the PR, all that kind of stuff. And then I'm going to give you guys like an overview of my room and how it all looks when it's fully finished and packed away and all clean. So yeah, I'll go do that off camera because it's just like kind of boring stuff, I guess, or just stuff that's a bit hard to film. And then yeah, when we're done I'll show you how the beauty room looks and I'm really excited, so yeah, I'll see you guys soon.